Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see how to download and install Eclipse IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. I'm going to use Eclipse Oxygen for this tutorial. You can choose any other version of Eclipse, or if you would like, you can use other IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA. That doesn't really matter. So let's go to Google and search for Eclipse Oxygen download. And the second site over here, the second search result will take us to the Eclipse website from where we can download the Eclipse Oxygen. Now, depending upon the operating system, Eclipse will find out the specific file that we need to download. So we no need to worry about that. Just click on the download button and click on the download again. It will start downloading an installer, generally a compressed file, a zip file. When the downloading is successful, click on it and unzip it. When you unzip the file, you will see the installer something like this. Double click on the installer to launch it. And when you launch the installer, the very first screen that you will see is to choose the proper type of Eclipse that we need. So for this tutorial, we are going to use Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. So choose the second one, and then it will ask us to select an installation folder. I'm going to set the default. During the installation process, if it prompts to accept any agreement, just go ahead and accept that. And that's it. Eclipse is installed successfully. You will see this message, the green one, which just got disappeared. And when it is installed successfully, you will see a button to launch it. Click on it and Eclipse will start to launch. The very first screen that you're going to see is the workspace selection. Again, as the name indicates, workspace is the space on your drive where any work that we are going to do is going to get stored. By default, it will select a space. You can change if you want, or you can keep it default. That doesn't really matter. I'm going to keep it default and click on launch. When you launch Eclipse for the first time, or when you launch it with a new workspace, you generally see this welcome page. Just go ahead and click close for the welcome page, and this is the IDE that we are going to use. On the left hand side, we have this project explorer. It will contain different projects that we work upon and the different files in those projects, etc. The middle section is for editor, where we'll write the Java code, and the right hand side section is for outline and tasks list. We don't really need that for now, so just close it so we have the more space for writing our code. And the bottom section over here is for seeing the output. It's for checking the console logs, etc. And then we have a menu bar and toolbar, which we will talk about slowly when we start working on different aspects of this IDE and Java.